All right, number 2, we're given again similar triangles. We can see that the two angle measurements on the bottom are the same. So that tells us the triangle is similar because the side measurements are different. And we're going to set up two proportions to find x and y. I'm going to set them up a little bit differently so that I can make sure I put the variable on the bottom so that all we have to do is multiply and we get our answer. Okay, so I want to figure out x. So the side I have on the bottom, 7, I'm going to do 7 over x. So this is a smaller triangle, so one length over another length. And I'm going to use the bigger triangle and set up a similar proportion. So the two lengths that correspond, the one that corresponds to x is the 13. So 13 is going to be on the bottom. And then the one that corresponds to 7 is the 12. So it's going to be 12 over 13. And then from here, actually I wanted it on the top, so I did set it up backwards than what I wanted. We actually have to cross multiply here. So I want the variable on top. And then we would get 7 times 13 is equal to 12x. And then we would divide by 12. And then that will give us our x value. Now let me try to do this the right way for the second part, and I'll number punch at the end. I want y on the top. So this time I'm going to do y divided by 7. So y is going to be on the top. So the sides that correspond to y are 5. The side that corresponds to 7 is 12. So this time, if you put your variable on the top, all you have to do is multiply. So this is what I was aiming for, and then we can solve it. So we get that y is equal to 7 times 5 divided by 12. And we want to write our answer as a simplified fraction. So we'll multiply 7 times 13, which both of these numbers are prime, and so we will not be able to reduce. So we're going to do 7 times 13, which is 91, divided by 12 should still be 91 divided by 12. So math, enter, just to verify. So for x, we get 91 divided by 12. And then for y, both of these are also prime to 12. So 7 times 5 gives us 35 divided by 12. Okay, so these will be our two answers, 91 over 12 and 35 over 12. So first they asked for x, which for x we got 91 divided by 12. And then for y we got 35 divided by 12.